These are the centre console side panels for the Triumph TR6. Referred to as a few things. People call them kidney panels, legs of lamb I've heard as well. Effectively, you got the centre console. These go down the left side and right side. Some of them had speaker holes in, like these. Others did not. We can supply both versions. These have obviously got the speaker holes in them, as you can clearly see. These are for the majority of the TR6s. The very, very early TR6s, they used these, but they were ever so slightly different shape. It was all really related up here to the gap here. So this cutout here is for the heater fan to blow its air out of. The early ones didn't have that kind of straight line, and then they realised there was no way for the air to kind of come out, so they put these in. They can also be adapted very slightly to fit the majority of the earlier cars, rather than sort of certainly the TR5s and TR250s. I think the TR4As as well, you just have to do a slight modification, which we can guide you through. But to go over these, they are hardboard panels. These have been trimmed in vinyl. Black is original. We can do colours, and we can do leather if you prefer as well. Like I say, with or without speaker holes. So they're hardboard. They've been cut on our CNC, so millimetre perfect with all the trimming holes that you need. You get the metal bracket on the side of it. This is the left-hand panel. This sits like this in the car, basically. So this little cutout here, that kind of rests on the actual H-frame, as it were, then goes down. So you get a pair of these. They're not exact mirror images. They are subtly different to one another. You get a pair of those, trimmed all the way around. Yeah, that's your lot.